Hello, we're learning to play Minuet in E major, and this is the first video. We're just going to look at the very first 4 bars. I'm bringing it hands together as soon as possible. The first thing to say is the clues in the title, it's in E major, so we need to be thinking about this scale as we're playing this piece. It'll stop us playing a lot of wrong notes. Also, we need to think about E major chords of some sort, some A major chords, which would be chord 4, the subdominant chord, and chord 5, the dominant chord, would be B major, and B major with an added 7th. These are all the things we're going to expect a lot of. Okay, so let's look at the first 4 bars. So this piece is in a Baroque, I was going to say it's in Baroque style. It's not in a Baroque style, it is a Baroque piece, so the style is Baroque. It's very contrapuntal, which means you've got lots of imitation going on in the parts, as you'll see. So in this first section, we've got a little melody in the left hand, which I'll show you here. So it starts on an E down at the bottom, and you play the E, then you bring your hand up an octave and run up 5 notes in an E major scale to B, down to a B, and back to a B. And then the second half of the phrase, then thumb on A, little finger on A, and back. So let me show you that again. So this is what we've got. Rest. Now, very important in there are those staccato notes and the contrast between the staccato and the legato, which is going to give it some energy. So that's the important bit there. Now you have 4 chords in the right hand to go with that. Now there's various ways you could do the fingering. This would be a fairly straightforward way. Now this is actually an E major chord, but that's in root position, it's actually in inversion. So that's your first chord, E major. Notice there's just the 1 black note in there. Then you bring it down a bit to a B major chord in inversion. So there's an F sharp, still the B there in the middle, and a D sharp. Then we bring it down again to an E7 chord, so you've got E, G sharp, and a D. And then your final chord is A major in inversion, which is that there. So I'll show you that again. So your first chord, then the middle note stays the same. You repeat it though, bring those down. Then everything comes down a bit, and then keep the thumb on the E. And let's try and put those together. So that's all forte, nice and bright. The final tempo is festivo, which is festively, and it's 126 beats a minute, so it's going to be fairly brisk. Don't move on to the next video until you really can play these first 4 bars. Here they are once more. Make sure you're getting those nice, that really bringing through the melody in the left hand, and that you're getting those nice bouncy staccato notes, and then the nice flowing phrases, and then the staccato. So have a good look at this, and then when you're ready, I'll show you the next few bars in the next video.